Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to learn something very useful, the future perfect tense. Don't worry. It sounds difficult, but it is very easy once you understand it. By the end of this video, you will have learned how to use the future perfect tense. See, I just used it. What does it mean? We use the future perfect tense to talk about something that will be finished before a time in the future. Think of it like this: an action starts now or soon, and it will be complete at a future point. For example, by tomorrow, by next week, by 6 o'clock. How to form it? The formula is simple. Subject plus will have plus past participle. Listen to these examples. She will have finished her homework by 8 o'clock. They will have arrived by the time we eat dinner. I will have saved enough money by December. Note, we always say will have, and then the past participle or third of the verb. Negative form. To make it negative, just add not after will. He will not have finished the project by Friday. We will not have left by the time you come. In speaking, we often say won't have. It is shorter and sounds more natural. Question form. To ask a question, we put will at the beginning. Will you have completed the report by Monday? Will she have eaten before the meeting? The answer is simple too. Yes, I will have. No, I won't have. Quick practice. Now, let's practice together. Listen to these sentences and repeat. Number 1. By next year, I will have graduated from university. Number 2. The chef will have prepared all the food by noon. Number 3. By the time the movie starts, we will have bought the tickets. Great job! Now you can recognize the future perfect tense easily. Let's quickly remember what we learned today. First, use the future perfect for actions completed before a future time. Second, the formula is will plus have plus past participle. Third, common time words are by, before, and by the time. If this video helped you, please share it with a friend who is learning English. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, you will have mastered English very soon.